Good morning class, welcome back. So in last section, this is our English 2 class in class 2. Okay, so in last class we have completed chapter number 2, Grandpa Farooq's Garden. In that we have completed question that full chapter I have explained and book exercises completed. For question answer I will send you PDF, so check the PDF also. In attachment, I think you all are knowing how to check. Okay, so in attachment you will get the PDF, okay, or image of the question answer of lesson 2. So today we will start our next class with the poem Have You Seen the Cuckoo Bird? This is our lecture 4. It means class 4. And on page, just open page number 15. The poem has given on page number 15. Okay, so just listen one thing. This poem, before starting explaining the poem, I will read the poem 2 times. Okay, so you all just keep your finger there which line I will read. Okay, and try to say with me only. Okay, first I will read and after that you all also read with me. Okay, and after that I will explain. So here, just start page number 15 given. And one thing more, you have to learn the word meaning. Here, word meaning given, you will learn word meaning from the book only. Okay, so this is the poem Have You Seen the Cuckoo Bird? So open your book, keep the fingers here, and this is the bird, its name cuckoo. So we will learn about this bird here in this poem. I'm going to start. Open page number 15, poem Have You Seen the Cuckoo Bird? So what is the name of this poem? Have You Seen the Cuckoo Bird? And who is the poet of this poem? Swapna Datta. The name of the poet is Swapna Datta. Okay, so here, have you seen the cuckoo bird with raven colored wings? Keep your finger there and try to say with me. Okay, have you seen the cuckoo bird with raven colored wings? Although I haven't seen one yet, I have often heard her singing. Okay, the cuckoo on a champak tree is hidden from our sight because the leaves are thick and close. But how she sings at night? Cuckoo, cuckoo, says the bird, I may be dark, it's true, but there is not a single bird that sings the way I do. Okay, again I am repeating the poem, just see the lines. Have you seen the cuckoo bird with raven colored wings? Although I haven't seen one yet, I have often heard her sing. The cuckoo on our champak tree is hidden from our sight because the leaves are thick and close. But how she sings at night? Cuckoo, cuckoo, says the bird, I may be dark, it's true, but there is not a single bird that sings the way I do. Okay, so here this poem is about a bird whose name is cuckoo. Okay, who sits on a champak tree. This poem is about a bird, black color bird, who sits on a champak tree. Okay, or which bird? Cuckoo. And here I will explain what cuckoo is saying and what the poet is saying. Okay, so here the poem is divided into 2 parts. In one part, the poet is a girl. Okay, Swapna Datta. But in one part, the poet is saying what she wants to say, and one part the cuckoo is saying. Okay, so first I will explain what the cuckoo is saying. Okay, so here the poem is about a bird whose name is cuckoo. Okay, who sits on a champak tree, and she says that there is not a single bird that sings the way I do. Okay, what the cuckoo is saying? Cuckoo is sitting on a champak tree and she is saying that no bird can sing like me as I do. Okay, so here the speaker in the poem asks the readers that anyone has seen the cuckoo bird. Okay, the name of the poem is Have You Seen the Cuckoo Bird? It means the speaker Swapna Datta is asking everyone, those who are reading the poem or listening the poem, she asks to everyone, have you seen the cuckoo bird? Okay, so here the speaker in the poem asks the readers that anyone has seen the cuckoo bird. He she means reading the poem. Okay, she was asking that if anyone has seen the cuckoo bird, because the Swapna Datta has never seen the cuckoo bird because it is black and covered by the broad leaves on the champak tree. Okay, because the cuckoo bird is black in color, and in champak tree, the champak tree's leaves are very big, so the cuckoo bird hidden behind the leaves. Okay, but she has listened the singing of the cuckoo bird. The cuckoo bird sings very beautifully. Okay, so here this poem is divided into two parts. In one part, the poet is saying about the cuckoo bird, and in second part, cuckoo bird is saying. The first part, what the poet is saying, poet is asking to everyone first, have you anyone seen the cuckoo bird? Because poet Swapna Datta has never seen the cuckoo bird, because the cuckoo bird is black in color and she is hidden behind the leaves of the champak tree at night. Okay, but she has listened the singing of the cuckoo bird. She is saying that cuckoo bird sings very beautifully. Okay, so and after that cuckoo bird says that yes, I am black in color, but can you tell me any bird can sing like me as I do? Okay, the cuckoo bird is saying this, and Swapna Datta is saying this, that she has never seen the cuckoo bird. That's why she was asking to everyone, have you seen the cuckoo bird? Okay, so this part is divided into two parts. I hope you all understood. Okay, so again I am reading the line. Just keep your finger and say with me. Have you seen the cuckoo bird with raven colored wings? Although I haven't seen one yet, I have often heard her sing. The cuckoo on our champak tree is hidden from our sight because the leaves are thick and close, but how the sings at night. Cuckoo, cuckoo, says the bird, I may be dark, it's true, but there is not a single bird that sings the way I do. Okay, I hope you understood. What is the name of this poem? The name of the poem is Have You Seen the Cuckoo Bird? And who is the poet of the poem? Swapna Datta. Okay, so class, this poem completed in PDF. Through PDF only I will give you question answer. First I will give you the question answer of lesson 2, Grandpa Farooq's Garden, and after that this poem. Okay, till then. And in copy, as I have informed, you will write only question answer. No need to write word meaning in your copy. Okay. And when you will complete Grandpa Farooq's Garden, just write on this poem in your copy, in your fair copy. First complete chapter number 2. When I will give PDF, just see the PDF also and complete your question answer in your copy. And you will write only question answer of lesson 2 in your copy. Okay. So, and word meaning, all chapters word meaning you will prepare from book exercises prepare from book only. Okay, so for today this much only. In next class I will start the next chapter, the lost love. Okay, so children, have a good day everyone. Read the poem and learn the poem properly. Learn full poem. Okay, with poet's name, learn the word meaning of the poem. Okay, so have a good day everyone. Take care.